Hi and welcome to a new video. So today I will be mainly focusing on creating the audio for my game. So before I start, I just want to say that this will be mainly for the setup of the audio mainly, but then all of the SFX and so on I will do at the end of the development of this game. So let's get started. So I first started by creating a enum which will hold all of the different SFX I have currently, and for testing purposes I have added a collide SFX which I also downloaded. I didn't download, I downloaded an application called SFXR, which is a very good application for quick SFX. Then I started, this will follow the singleton pattern, same as our game manager. So game manager, oh my god. And of course we need to have a way to get the instance of our class. And then also we don't want to have a constructor and so on. That should be private. Next, I created a map, right, which is the same as like a dictionary in C#. And for my music, I have a level index, so which level is gonna have this music, and then also the file path. And then for the SFX, I have I actually have this the other way around, but it's fine. Yeah, it has an enum SFX and the file path. Then this is some sound buffer for the actual SFML part of the audio, which this is how it works. And then also, since we can call our init function multiple times, we only want to initialize it once, and that's why I have this bool. It's the same concept as in our game manager classes, you can see here. And then, oh, if I just go back to my thank you, there we go, I found it. Then I also have two private functions, which is, actually it's going to be one function, but overloaded, and it retrieves the file from this dictionary. It just makes it a tiny bit easier. And then our init function. We will also have a volume for setting the volume. I will also add a settings panel in our UI manager, which we can use to set the volume. And then the background music, right? So we can pause, restart, and so on. And then the play SFX as well. So in our game manager, we can just get the instance of the audio manager, and then we can, in our init function, we can simply call the init, right? And then I should have there in our, when we collide or something, when the ball collides or something, then we can just call the audio manager.play SFX. And yeah, if we run this, we should get a, yeah. So that's all music, and I don't think you can really hear it, but there's also the collide function. But if I just turn off the music for now, you might be able to hear it a bit better. Yeah, there we go. So we know that our collide function also works. Or the collide SFX, I also created the settings panel, right? And there's nothing special in it. We just have two sliders currently. I might add something later, I don't know. And yeah, which can control the volume for our SFX and our music. And then I also added this little check, so only if volume is different from the last frame, then we can update our audio manager. And if we turn it on and go to settings and see, we can now change the volume and it updates as well. we can also do the same for SFX. But yeah, you can really hear the difference anyways. And yeah, that's that's all I had to show for today. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and do all those wonderful stuff. Like I mentioned before, I don't really know what I should do. If you have any tips maybe about the music problem, because I feel like if I have like 5 levels, that's already gonna be like 170 megabytes just worth of audio, which I feel like is a bit excessive. Now I might look into exactly all of the formats that SFML support, and maybe there's a format that is more compressed, right? But yeah, that's all I had to do. That's all I have to show for today. Thank you so much. See you next time.